Living things which are useful include earthworms and various kinds of bacteria. Earthworms loosen the soil and so enable air and water to enter it. Bacteria, which are microscopic living things, break down dead plants and animals and make humus, or take nitrogen from the air and change it into substances that plants use. The living things that do harm include other bacteria and fungi which cause diseases. Other harmful things are pests such as wireworm, which feed on the roots of grass and other plants. While the farmer can usually keep weeds in check by careful cultivation, this alone may not protect his crops from insects, pests and diseases. Nowadays, however, देखिएगा पंक्चुएशन का nowadays, however, comma, ठीक है, स्ट्रेस करने के लिए. और nowadays के बाद तो कॉमा इसलिए भी आ गया कि nowadays एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम है और सेंटेंस जब एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम से ही शुरू होगा तो कॉमा करेंगे, ठीक है. Nowadays, however, he is much better able to control these enemies. He may plant especially resistant types of seeds, or he may keep the pests and diseases in check with chemicals. With better seeds, farmers have, देखिए यहाँ पे कॉमा होना चाहिए था. With better seeds, फिर कॉमा लगा के ब्रेक करते तो आगे पढ़ने में अच्छा रहता. नहीं तो ये कॉमा नहीं लगा तो कैसे पढ़ने में आएगा. देखिए मैं पढ़ दे रहा हूँ. With better seeds farmer, ऐसा लग रहा है कि seeds farmers, जबकि होना चाहिए था with better seeds farmers have been able to increase their crop yields. They can grow crops that ripen more quickly and have a stronger resistance to disease, frost or drought. बड़ा easy है, ठीक है. तो मैं नंबर ही कर लूं 57, इसी का नंबर डाल देता हूँ 57, 58, 59, 60 है ना, और 61. Okay, scientists who study soil believe that all insects and bacteria are harmful. नहीं, only microscopic living things are useful. ये भी नहीं, only earthworms are useful. Not all worms and bacteria are harmful. Which one is correct?
Option D.
D.
पहला, दूसरा, तीसरा.
चौथा.
D fourth.
Not all worms and bacteria are harmful. सब हार्मफुल नहीं होते, ये सही है, ठीक है. D fourth. The living things that do harm break down plants and animals. नहीं, use up the nitrogen from the air, cause disease in plants, loosen up the soil from air and water. बताइए आंसर.
So C option.
Third, C, yes. Farmers are always careful to control insects and fungi that attack plants, to encourage pests, बिल्कुल नहीं, to eliminate all bacteria from the soil, बिल्कुल नहीं, to foster all kinds of worms in the earth, ये भी नहीं. आंसर बताइए. 59. Option A. Nowadays, it is possible to reduce the loss caused by pests and harmful bacteria with the use of chemical fertilizers through the development of resistant seeds, by using weeds as killers, by controlling earthworm. क्या होगा 60 का?
B option sir. Second.
Option A.
ना, A नहीं, B सेकेंड. फिर से पढ़ लीजिएगा तेजू जी, ठीक है. B होगा, इसमें कोई डाउट ही नहीं है. The farmers today can also select seeds of slow ripening variety, resistant to frost and drought, for economy in cost, of lower resistance to disease. कौन सा?
So B option. Second.
Undoubtedly second. हो गया भैया?
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.